hello. Просто нужен такой же энергичный мужчина, который не будет гасить мою энергию. Вот и все. Все очень просто. Когда ты любишь жизнь, жизнь любит тебя. Translate. My English lessons don't help me. I just need an energy man who won't drain my energy. Yeah? Do you get angry sometimes? Of course. It's actually very simple. When you love life loves your back. Конечно, я бываю очень злой, очень сильно злой. Я вообще иногда бываю агрессивной женщиной, особенно когда делается что-то несправедливое. То есть пойти решить какой-нибудь вопрос, например, связанный с бюрократией, я буду злиться, буду общаться тактично, буду очень вежливой, но буду очень злой. Thank you for follow. I answer you, of course. Sometimes I get very angry, really angry. Sometimes I can even be aggressive woman, especially when something unfair happens. Like when I have to deal with some bureaucratic issue. You're so sweet, thank you. I'll be angry, but I'll still speak politely and tactfully, but inside I'll be really mad. Hurt me, don't more, 40 seconds at least. I hope she hasn't a sniper. Thank you for like, thank you. I walk it, I talk it, I live it. What we do behind doors is our business. On my body, he giving me kisses. I'm wet when I'm wet, my papa like. Thank you for hearts, red hearts. What's your education background? I have two education. My first education, I'm architecture. Oh my gosh, no, lose again. Oh my gosh, we will try. My hair, thank you so much. We will try. 2 points. But another match. Thank you so much. Bye. We will try. Let's go. We continue.